Okay, so according to the chat GPT and the AI tool, what we found that OpenAI, right? It is a organization, okay, which developed some of AI tools. Okay, so OpenAI is a platform. We can say it is a company, it is an organization which develops some of the AI tools. Correct? Okay. So one of the tool is Chat GPT. Okay. So if I go for some hands-on on the Chat GPT, what we have to do? First, we have to open the OpenAI site from our Google search engine. Okay, let's do it. So I'm using the Edge. Over here, I type here the google.com, and here I type just the OpenAI, enter. So that is the first website, OpenAI. So there are so many products are there with the chat GPT also. Okay. So we just, for that particular session, we just overview OpenAI and the chat GPT. So over there, I'm searching the product option for that particular official site. And there are two versions of the chat GPT. One is the chat GPT version 3.0 or 3.0. Another is called the chat GPT 4. Okay. So chat GPT 4, it is a paid version. You need to use some subscription if you want to use it. But if I go for the chat GPT 3, so that is a completely open source and the free edition. Okay. So let's connect with the chat GPT over here. Yes, we are in the chat GPT. That is a chat.openai.com. So log out. That is as I already logged in. So that's why it is showing as a logged in. So now we have to use the sign up. Okay. So no need to sign up with a new account. If you have the existing Google account or the Microsoft account, you can easily enter into the chat GPT. So I have the Google account, that is Gmail account. So it is authenticate, authorized. Yeah, good to go. We are in. Okay. So now I can search for any type of keyword, any type of text, okay, which is there on the robotics or the AI. Okay. Say, for example, write an email to manager for sick leave. Okay. So I want to write an email content. I want to get some email content, which is ready-made content. Okay. So that is my search text. So if I click over here, or if I hit enter, see, something like that. Excellent. So that is the power of AI. Make sense? Okay. So it provides the entire email content with some dynamic content also. Like here, you replace your manager name, the total content you get, you can modify it or you can alter as per your needs. Here you have to choose your name, employee ID, designation, contact information, so on and so forth. Fair enough. Okay. So now I want to search about climate. in Bangalore. Let's see what I get from ChatGPT. Yeah, I get some of the information within the one single site, within the one single screen, with some suggestion, with some content. Okay. So whatever I am in the IT background or the non-IT background, that is not important. It can applicable for the any type of industry. Whatever the industry are there, that can be the telecom, that can be the healthcare, that can be the other industry, that can be the information technology, whatever are there, we have to use the chat GPT things. Okay. So there are so many things that they are in the social media sites. They are actually, they are actually announced, yes, we have to learn the chat GPT, otherwise we lose our job. The company fired our position, all those things. But don't believe all those things. We have to adopt very slowly. Okay. It comes into the industry very slowly. Okay. Don't worry about that. But somehow we have to learn that some of the tool. So like the chat GPT is one of the tool for the open AI. Okay. Yeah. So we are good as of now with the help of chat GPT. I hope you like this video. So if you really like this video, then please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe it so that you can get the upcoming updated video in a future days. Thank you very much. Have a good day.